Customizable bird perch. This rope bird perch bends into a variety of shapes to stimulate birds with different perching surfaces. Rounded support for birds' feet promotes joint health comfort. Large perch for birds provides a comfortable grip for larger birds like macaws. Includes screw-off attachments to attach the bird perch to different sides of the bird cage. Measures 36 liters. Pet toys. Get ready for bonding fun with your dogs, cats. Check out a variety of our pet toy products such as frisbees, perches, mirrors for birds, prey one toys for cats, plush toys, light-up interactive toys. More. JW Pet Products design intricate toys for dogs, cats, birds to keep your pet entertained. Check out JW products for mirror bird toys, perches for birds, play gym rope toys, dog treat toys, catnip toys, interactive toys, more. Just for Pets, PetMate makes a variety of pet products for dogs, cats, chickens, other small furry friends. Check out our brands such as Aspen Pet, Arm Hammer, Buddha, Chuckit, Jackson Galaxy. More. Top reviews from the United States. Wrap these with vet wrap for bird safety. I got one large and two small of these rope perches for my budgie, parakeet, who now has a disabled leg. He needs a way to climb more since his landing skills aren't as good, and I wanted to provide a softer surface for his good leg since it's getting most of the pressure now. I installed the two smaller rope perches in a half circle around his food and water dishes so he has an easy landing/perching surface for eating and drinking. The long rope perch runs from the bottom of the left side of the cage up to the top of the right side, and it's not a small cage. He also has several wood perches and a couple of platforms to choose from. I see him sitting on the long rope perch quite often,